Hello friends, welcome to a new topic today. It's 14th of August 2021 and we are discussing the topic singular and plural, which is from the basic certification of communication skills in English, level 1. What we will be discussing today, our learning objectives are 11 rules of singular and plural, the spelling changes and the pronunciation changes. I would appreciate if you use the word as pronunciation and not pronunciation. I repeat, the word is pronunciation changes. So let us start. It is very simple, friends. When anything is more than one, it becomes plural. I repeat, when anything is more than one, it becomes plural. So we have some examples in front of us. Apple, apples, apples. Now here we are using the word apples because there are two apples, which is more than one. Again, here are three apples, which is again more than one. So we have one apple, two apples, three apples. Let us move ahead. Here we have one book, two books, three books. Here we have one tree, two trees, and three trees. Now, friends, as I told you, that we have to check the spelling changes as well as the pronunciation changes. So you can notice that here the spelling changes from B-O-O-K to B-O-O-K-S. Again, here it changes from T-R-E-E to T-R-E-E-S. So this is the primary change, that is the spelling change. And you will also notice that there is a pronunciation change, and it happens like this. Here, the pronunciation is apple, and here, the pronunciation is apples. So at the end, there is an extension of the sound of letter S, which is S. So apple, apples, book, books, tree, trees. So friends, singular means one and plural means more than one. You can try to translate this in your native language. I'll repeat this one more time for you. Singular means one or single, and plural means more than one. Okay. Now, I also would like to clear your doubt because many people, they say that plural is two. So no, it's not two. It can be anything which is more than one. So this is the basic what we need to understand, that by adding an S to the spelling, we can change a singular noun to a plural noun. In fact, a singular common noun to a plural common noun by just adding an S. This is the basic rule which I want you to understand. And I believe most of you might be knowing this thing. Let us move on to the next rule. Friends, this is the first exercise, which is very simple. Here, we just have to add an S and we can make it plural. So we have pen, which becomes pens. We have eraser, which becomes erasers. We have table, which becomes tables. We have clock, which becomes clocks, which becomes clocks. Now, rest of the words, I request you to write and practice the way it is shown on the exercise. I request you that you write and practice. And while writing, you have to check the spelling as well as you have to check the pronunciation. Let us move on to the next rule, which is very similar to the first rule. In fact, it is the first rule itself. So in this, as well as in this, you are just adding an S. So I'm not going to discuss anything about this. Let us directly go to rule number 2. Now, friends, this is very, very important. I would appreciate your attention here, as it is when your word is ending with S, X, CH, or SH. at that time, you will add ES to make it plural. So let us notice we have X here, we have CH here, we have CH here, we have CH here, here we have SH, again we have CH, here it is ending with an S, we have X here, and again we have X here. So friends, here when we make it plural, it becomes boxes. Next is latches. I'm sorry, I'm not following the order. It becomes latches. And third, classes. So you can notice that there is a spelling change. We have additional 2 letters, as well as the pronunciation is changing with an S. In the first rule, it was only s, book, books, clock, clocks. But in the second rule, the spelling is changing as we are adding 2 additional letters, and the pronunciation is changing with an extended S. So box, boxes, latch, latches, class, classes. I'll help you with this as well. Bench, benches, bush, bushes, fox, foxes. I'm sorry again that I'm not following the order. And this one is thatch, thatches, match, matches, and hoax, hoaxes. So friends, it is very, very important that your pronunciation is pretty clear, because if it is not clear, then it will change the meaning of the word entirely. So focus on the spellings, as well as you have to focus on the pronunciation. Friends, I will end this video here, and for the next following rules, you have to watch the next video. Thank you very much for your patience and your time. I hope this will be fruitful for you. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.